your greatest accomplishment in life? Again, what do you think is your greatest accomplishment in life?
Back there in our province, I was born with, luckily my mother is a principal, secondary education principal. My mother is a soldier. So what then? I'm the one who opposes my personality, of course, of being who I am today as a transgender woman, was of course my father. We're 11 children, I'm second from the oldest, and of course, my father would say, you have to be a straight man when you grow up. You do not have to go there to be just a woman. That's just only a feeling, but then again, I fought for it. Because when we say the word accomplishment, it is all about the genuinity of your heart, wherein you would like to travel. What is the truthfulness within your heart? You want it. No matter who wants to hinder it, you do have to prove it. Simply because, do not mistake me, ladies and gentlemen, because our parents are there to guide us, not to distract our ambitions in life or what we want, as long as we have the right path. And one thing for that, why it is an accomplishment, because for several years I've been joining this pageant. 8 of my younger brothers and sisters graduated, of course, in college because of the pageantry. And I'm so thankful to the Lord. He gave me this ability and this skill. But then again, I have no hatred with my dad, simply because without my dad, I wouldn't be able to know to learn discipline, to learn self-respect, and of course, to learn other people, to let know that whatever you want, do it within your life. And now that I should say, my father and I have good bonding, I should say, because being true to yourself, no one would definitely go wrong. As long as you know what you want, what you aim, accomplishment can be there, most especially when your family is always at first. Thank you.
Thank you.